Today I'm back with another Bedwars video. This is part 5. I'm doing a one-on-one with my friends. Whatever you call it, one-on-one. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first I will need this and this, and I'll get a couple of those, couple of those, and I'll need a blocks. Okay. Oh, better. That's it. Yeah. Go away. You don't wanna. Heal. Die! Get away from me! Get away. Yeah, die. Okay. Well, that was quite easy. Oh wait, I see him up there. But I also need to get the diamonds. Hopefully it doesn't chase after me. No! Okay. Yes. That. Come on, build. Oh, made it. I'm gonna be as strong as possible. Wait, what? Okay, wait. Oh wait, now it's fast. Okay. Okay. Sorry for the background noises. It's my friend. He's being so annoying.
You are.
Shush. Okay. I think that's enough diamonds. Yeah, it's enough. Oh, I almost fell. Yeah, I'll get team upgrades. Do that. What? How am I already out of diamonds? I gotta go back. Okay. Almost done. What is he doing at my base? No. Oh wait, he's just my friend. Okay. He won't kill me. Okay. He's not gonna kill me. Okay. Can you shush?
You shush? I mean, I can't shush, but I can do.
Okay. That should be enough. Now I can buy stuff. That. Okay, now I can go here. And I can buy this. So wait, I gotta go get some emeralds now. Wait. Oh, this is my friend. I'm making a part 4 of this for I don't know, in a few minutes. Wait, what did I need to do? Guys, I just decided to let my friends talk into this. They're so annoying, but I'm gonna just let them.
Like you. You're so annoying. You're the one that always pops in the house. And I gave that away to viewers. The YouTuber.
I just went in another room, so they'd just be quiet. Let's go. I don't think I'll have enough, but I'll just try. Wait, what? Who's here? Heal. No! I I need to go back to my healing thing. Where you at? Where you at? There you are. Heal me. Yeah, get away. That's what I thought. Oh god. Burn to death, buddy. Burn to death. Got lucky. Help me out, will you? I need to buy some stuff. Finally. That's all over with. Okay, now. You die! Actually, no, I'll just leave you. You better not shoot me. I need to get a lot of these, these, and these. And, wait. What? I need to get some iron. I don't care. Okay. Ow. This guy is so annoying. That's it. I have enough. Get some arrows. Should be good enough. He's not here yet. Got lucky. You just stay at my base. Okay, enchanting table. Got it. Static should be good. Let me try it out. Yep, it works. I'm gonna go to that guy and teach him a lesson. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's his base. It should have hit. Oh gosh, he's coming. Bro, this guy has execute. Oh, I forgot about execute. But I killed both of them. I gotta regenerate. Need health. What's up? Oh gosh! Die. Good. Keep on dying. What? That's it. Stop. Easy. That's what you get. Who's this guy? Who's he? Oh wait, okay, I'm not gonna kill him. Come at me all you want, I'm all ready. What the heck is this guy doing? Got him. That's it, I'm gonna come out there. I'm coming there and heal. Die! Where are you gonna spawn? Wait, what? And I'll teach this guy a lesson. Wait, what? Where did he go? He's somewhere up there. I knew it. You gonna come down? He's up here. No! That's okay. I killed him a lot. I killed him like 3 times. Oh. I'm gonna go back there. Oh, wait, I forgot my enchantment. My enchantment's the only thing that's helping me. And I do it quickly. I see him up there. Gotta quickly. God! Wait, what? Cloud V. What do you mean Cloud V? I don't know what that is. I don't have anything I could use. I'm barely ready. Oh wait, he still died. Okay, I have no idea what this does. Like, what does it do? Cloud V. Let me check. Float over the void on a cloud, recharging on land. Okay, let me see. Wait, what? It actually works? Now this is cool. That's okay. No, yeah, I'll just use this. This is pretty cool now. Bro, this is epic. There, I don't know. I have no idea what that is, but I'll just shoot. Died. Sorry for the background noises, if you can hear it. What's up? Mister. Whoa! I can still fly. He doesn't know that. Shush. This guy thinks I'm hacking. I'll stop both of you! And I can't fall into the void. What you gonna do about it? I'ma go. Die. Whoa. Okay, I better just go. Go, go, go. Made it. Now this is an epic thing I could use. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Sup? Sup? Got him. Your turn. Go. Sup, Omar? I'm gonna die. Yeah! Get back here! That's what I thought. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.